Hi guys, today I'm going to show you very simple aquaponics systems that I have been designed. So this is my systems. So the systems I use the solar energy to supply to supply the water pump to supply the water to the hydroponic system. So the other pump to pump the water from the fish tank to uh, to the filter bottle here. So the operational cost will be less because I use the solar energy. Actually, we use the current electricity is very expensive, so I have to use the solar energy to increase the efficiency of the operational cost. So I use it might be the power it might be to 200, yeah, 200 watt, because the water pumps that I will be use is only 50 watt, and the other also 50 watt, so it together 100 watt is needed. So the output, the solar energy that I bought from the shop, it will be produced at 300 watt, so the efficiency it may be around 200 lah. So is it enough already? So there are three bottle here. So the big bottle, I use the big reservoir because the water supply in our country is the biggest problem. It sometimes the water is not coming for a day, even a week, so I have to prepare the water reserve if have any problem, so I can use for it. So the another bottle, for the blue bottle, is the first water filter, so it will pump water from the fish tank to make the filtration for this bottle, and after that to the another bottle here, and this bottle also the second filtrations before it goes flowing into the hydroponic system. So the hydroponic system, it supplied by two different types. It one from the reservoir from the big bottle here, it directly to the hydroponic system, one after the filtration. So one from the clean water, after the filtration, so it combine into the hydroponic system. Because for each pipeline I use the valve, so I can control the flowing which one I want to supply the water, so I can control from the valve here, and valve also here and here. So the system, once the water flow into the hydroponic system, it flowing down to the fish tank, so the fish tanks and the fish inside the tank will consume the water from the hydroponic. So relatively, because they can consume the vegetable water because it has protein, but and after that, and some of the water can directly to the hydroponic, because the fish poo also have their protein, so sometimes we cannot use the supplement or any chemical material to support a vegetable fertility. So therefore I use two systems, one from the clean water from the reservoir, one after the filtration. So 50% from the clean water without filtrations, and one after filtration. So this is the simple aquaponics systems that I have been explained. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys know want to know more about my systems, these simple systems, you might ask through the comments below. But don't forget to subscribe my channel, like if you like, and share if you like it. Thank you.